Most species formed in the past, long before we humans were around to observe the process. We use various lines of evidence to make our best hypothesis about speciation, how and when those species formed. But once in a while, we have an opportunity to watch a speciation event unfold before our eyes. Scientists have been able to investigate this process in a group of fruit fly species called Rhagoletis. There are many different Rhagoletis species in North America. Each lives on a different host fruit. Blueberry flies on blueberries, hawthorn flies on hawthorn fruit, snowberry flies on snowberries, and so on. The different species have differences in their anatomy. And even though the different fly species live in overlapping areas, they don't mate with each other. But environments change over time, and so do species. In the case of Rhagoletis, their environment changed when European colonists arrived in North America. They brought a new fruit with them, the domestic apple. As the pioneers moved into the Midwest and beyond, they took the apple with them, planting orchards as they went. Not long after the Midwest had been settled, scientists noticed that the apples also had new residents, hawthorn flies. They wondered, was the population of hawthorn flies that now lived on apples becoming a new species? Scientists are still interested in this question today. To gather evidence, they've figured out ways to systematically study the flies' behavior and their DNA. After the flies have laid eggs in their host fruit, scientists bring the fruit to the lab. There, the eggs hatch into larvae, and the larvae become pupae. Scientists house the pupae in conditions that mimic their natural environment. As the flies mature, the scientists collect data to answer questions. How long does it take for the different populations of fly larvae to go through metamorphosis to become adults? What kind of fruit are the flies attracted to? Are there differences in their DNA and proteins? Based on the evidence from these studies, you'll need to come to a decision. Can we make the argument that the hawthorn and apple fly populations are becoming two species?